Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change time format on Apple Watch Ultra 3. In order to do this, you have to grab your iPhone that is paired with your watch and then open the app library and search for watch application. Once you find it, open it, then scroll down until you find clock settings, tap on the clock, and now to change the time format you just have to switch this toggle to the left to set a 12-hour time format, or to the right to set the 24 hours hour time format. And that's how you can change the time format on your Apple Watch. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.